Hey guys, it is 8 p.m. on a Thursday. Already loaded laundry, clean my room, vacuum, clean the bathroom, clean, mop, sweep the house. Gonna be a busy weekend this weekend, so prepping my meals for tomorrow since my work center is all gonna have pizza and we're stuck in a meeting and training all day, so I can't leave the office to get something to eat and go on lunch. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. First I'm gonna work on some potatoes and I'll be showing you guys what I'm doing for that. Potatoes. I probably could have taken them out earlier. Probably only needed to actually cook them for 30 minutes for 450 degrees in the oven. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I'm gonna dump them in this container and measure how many grams in there and figure out how I'm gonna meal prep for tomorrow depending on what it weighs. Less than I expected, you guys. This only weighs 159 grams, so I'm gonna put that on my fitness pal. Season the potatoes. We're just gonna use garlic powder, pepper, and salt. I got this simply seasoned chicken breast, sweet jalapeno. We're gonna cook both breasts. Gonna still use the same pan, put it on medium heat, put some more cooking spray, and get that cooking. Now, there's a thicker breast in here. There's a littler one. The little one I know is only going to be 3 or 4 minutes aside, but the bigger one is going to be 5 to 6 minutes aside. So instead of a timer for 4 minutes, then put the small one. Just in case you're wondering, these are the macros: 120 calories per 4 ounces, 1.5 fat, and 4 carb, 24 grams protein. I know some of y'all are not gonna like this, but I got this instant broccoli and cheese. Was craving some cheese, broccoli, and didn't want to get fresh vegetables and waste it. This is already macroed out and I'm in a hurry. So I'm just gonna microwave this. There's 3 servings and split them between these 2 meals. Macros on this is 1 serving has 60 calories, 2.5 fats, 5 carbs, and 3 proteins. So got this. I am actually, I'm gonna stovetop this because I'm trying not to microwave everything. Okay? This is what the inside of this broccoli thing looks like. Those little round things, I believe those are the cheeses. So the directions said heat the pan medium-high heat, so that's what I did. I'm gonna spray it with some Pam spray, dump this in with 2 tablespoons of water like the directions say, and we're gonna cook and stir occasionally for about 12-13 minutes. And then chicken is right here cooking. that's looking like. Where the chicken's at. Good, guys. Look how good that looks, you guys. We're gonna weigh all this chicken out once it's done cooking and figure out how we're gonna fit this in my macros tomorrow. Okay, y'all, for tomorrow we need 7 more grams of fat. We're gonna add half a tablespoon of this. Just drizzle it on the chicken. So that's what we're gonna do. You know, if you ever buy seasoning, get this flavor garlic one. This is my favorite. I really wanted the pizza, but it was a little too late for that. They already sold out. So here are the meals that we made. I drizzled a half tablespoon of that olive oil, garlic seasoning, and top it off right here. That, and again right here. That. And that's our meals for tomorrow for lunch and dinner. Needed more fats, you guys, so topped it off with an egg as well. That's what that looks like, and those are the finished 2 meals. Gonna get the 0-calorie butter spray. And I'll show you guys how I do this. Since this butter spray is getting low, you can see the low level, I have to tilt this up and spray it up like this to keep the butter tilted. It's a technique I developed. Lots of experience with this butter spray. Yeah. Then, optional is getting ground cinnamon, topping it off like this. Just a sprinkle drizzle on top. And you guys can either eat this with Walden Farm syrup, regular syrup, whatever you prefer. Or you can be creative get Splenda packets, or if you're not really that strict on your macros, get powdered sugar and sprinkle it on there. I only need one Splenda packet if I don't have Walden Farms. Save you on your calories, or you could use stevia, whatever kind of sweetener you like, and eat this up. And also, putting whey protein in the egg whites is an optional thing. The only con to that is it dries up the bread a little more, but to me it just tastes good either way. Or you could just put egg whites if you don't need that much protein, but I just like to have the added protein. So I will put the macros of this up on the screen. Okay guys, now what we're going to do is we're going to make some pizza bagels, because tomorrow my work center is all ordering pizza for lunch, and I feel like I would be feeling like I'm missing out if I didn't make some myself. So you need some sauce, any kind of tomato sauce that you like, pepperoni. I use turkey pepperoni, tastes the same as meat and less fat. I'm using these Thomas bagel thins, and I just got this I think it's a generic-ish mozzarella cheese. It was just cheaper. Macros were the same as the other mozzarella cheese that were more expensive. So, because I have a lot more fat to play with, so I decided to get the fattier cheese instead of the fat-free cheese. So, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Bagel thins. I already put it on my fitness pal. I can fit 2 of these in my macros for tomorrow. Get one here. What? The other one. Just spread it out on the. There. So 1 serving of this is 62 grams. I found that per 1 bagel slice, like 2 of these, I only need half of this, but since I have 4 of these, I'm going to do 1 serving, 62 grams. So we're trying on the scale, put it on grams, and then measure out till it hit 62. That's all I need. If you have more carbs to play with, and you like more tomato sauce, you can put more. Again, I found I actually only need a serving per 2 slices, so we're going to do 2 servings of this cheese. So 1 serving is 28 grams, so we're just going to do that by 2. Oh, I forgot. I like oregano on mine. I should have put the oregano on the tomato before I put the cheese, but I'm just going to put it on top of this. Now we're going to do the pepperoni, or the turkey pepperoni. I only need 16 slices, and that's about 9 grams of fat, or 9 grams of protein, excuse me, and like basically 4 grams of fat. Anyway, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to spray some cooking spray on this pan. Then we're going to carefully put the pizza bagels on here. There we go. We're going to pop that in the oven. I'm going to set a timer for 7 minutes, then we check it, and depending on how it looks, we'll see how much longer I put it in for. I hope y'all liked my food prep-ish for a day video, and the pizza bagel recipe, as well as my French toast recipe. So anyways, gonna check out, you guys. So if you like this video, like it, really helps my channel. And if you have any suggestions, or if you like the recipe, you can leave a comment down below, or if you have questions. And yeah, you guys, I believe are on week 5 of this cut, or it might be week 6. I need to double check that. But tomorrow I'm checking in with my coach. And yeah, as far as weight loss goes, I don't know why, but the scale kept reading 138. We'll see what happens tomorrow, though. Also, you know, things that can mess with the scale is like water retention. If you had a lot of sodium, you could be holding more water if you went to the restroom, things like that. But I'm definitely have been in a deficit. Yeah, definitely am losing fat, but just not showing up on the scale, and not trying to be discouraged, you guys. Let's have a look. Why is this not focusing? Okay, here you go. So getting pretty toned. My friends said that they noticed that I'm getting more lean in my arms, especially. So that's cool. Cool that people notice. Anyhow, you guys, sorry I'm rambling on. It's late at night, it's already almost 11 p.m. and I have to get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow to go to the gym. So, going to check out, and yeah, see you guys on the next one.